guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if today be your first time, please kindly subscribe for more videos. I am here today to teach you a strategy for how to win a huge amount from Sporty Hero. For not spend much of your time, please let's get into it. When you read the chart from 6.13, you will see the small ones, 1.10, 1.33. If you see this chart, probability the game will go above 2.0 is very high. So let's watch out. You see 2.73. The probability is too high for it. So have you seen it? Okay, let's watch out another strategy. And you have to take note of this thing. We have three modes in Sport Hero. We have classic mode, over, and range. So this is the range. As for this thing, you can set your own. I have set mine from 9 to 15. When the game stops from 9 to 15, I will be able to times, or Sporty will be able to times my money for me. So you can do it. You can try your best on it. It is very good. So the one thing I want to share to you right now is when you read the chart, you will see that 19.30, that's orange color, is there. So as for the orange color, it will definitely come again. Have you seen it? So the orange color is from 15 to 23. So you can set your auto cash out to 15, so that when it get there, it will automatically cash out for you. So have you seen it? This is 16.14. That's the big strategy. So guys, be sharp. And have you seen it? This is the cash out of others, cash out amount of others. Yes. And this is sufficient, the multiplier. Have you seen it? So guys, this is the small strategy I have for you guys. So don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and for more. And if you see a small chart, 1.2, 1.1, you will see that all the probability for the game go above 2.0 is too high. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to follow me and subscribe for more. Bye bye.